And we're back. Welcome to Monday. I don't know what that was. It's Mikey. Today is Monday, August 10th, 2026. Here I am in the garage of Universal heading in. I'd like to send a birthday shout out to Mama Mayhem. Today is her birthday. And today is approximately day number 616-ish in a row. Let's see what we can find. There's recently some sort of concept art revealed of what the main entrance is going to look like for Horror Nights. And unless they hurry up with whatever they're doing now with those walls, it ain't going to look like that unless they incorporate it. Also, Hard Rock is open at 8 a.m. for breakfast. Well, as I am heading out on day number 616, I didn't vlog a lot today, but I did document a lot, so you can go back and watch this. I will be going to a Disney park at least once or twice this week, so that's exciting. And be sure to watch the short because there'll be a little more detail talking about everything you see in this video. So thank you so much for watching. If you made it all the way through, follow me on social, and maybe I'll see you tomorrow for another video this way. Love you, bye.
So follow, like, subscribe, smash the bell.